Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Let's have a reading. Current feeling of a person and downloads and current situation. What is going on in their life? Okay, let's start a reading. Six of Swords, Three of Cups, Six of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, Five of Pentacles reversed, Three of Wands, Eight of Wands, and Ten of Pentacles. So your person is currently into a strong third party situation, and currently they are not at all interested in you. And I think there is a no contact situation. This person is not at all interested in you. They want to move on, I think, yeah. And this person into very much into third party situation currently, and they don't want to see anything, and they're stuck in their own life, in their own multiple choices. Romantic third parties, strongly romantic third parties there, and they're paying to somebody to spy the third party, not you. Because this third party, they have doubt also, they're crazy about the third party, and they have doubt also about the third party, and they strongly have a romantic relationship with third parties, and they have many choices also, and they are into all this only. And yes, this person wants to move on from you. They don't want to think about you, and they don't want to offer you anything, and just they want to go with the flow. The current feeling and current situation is third party situation strongly is there. Third party situation strongly is there in your no contact situation person, whoever in your mind. And there is a Ten of Pentacles is there. Yes. So they are supposed to get success, but it's stopped from the angels, Angels are like, there's a round download. The angels are like, no, this person doesn't deserve it. This person is like, waiting game is there. So their abundance and their, success is in waiting mode. And there's this obstacle in this person's life, lot of obstacles standing and waiting and whatnot in their career also, in their profession also, in their business also, whatever this person deal with. They like, very sad position is there. In their they themselves is in pain, they are in pain. They want to move on from current situation. This person want to move on from the current situation. This person in pain, and this person gave you poverty. So this person is trying to send you poverty towards you, and this person now facing themselves poverty. Yes, this person is themselves facing poverty. Just because of that only, their success is stopped now. Stop. Angels are saying stop. Yes, just because of their mind games, thoughts, third party romantic situations, dating and all, giving money to spy on and whatnot they did to you, and third party they are still doing with the third party also, but they are attracted towards the third party and having romantic relationship. And this person is scared to get to talk to you, to any kind of situation they don't want to face with you. So this person wants to move on right now. So is a guidance for you. Please don't force anybody. Go with the flow. Okay? So this angels want to tell you, spirit guides and universe trying to guide you is that move on. This person wants to move on, so why you worried? The current person, whoever in your mind. Okay, let's check. Let's recheck. Universe, divine powers, angels please tell me their person current thoughts. Harmony is reversed. Number 6. They are into third party situations strongly, and this person want the third party to get peace. They had a fight with the third party, and now they are attracted towards third party, romantic party, and they want peace now, harmony with the third party, not you. Obstacle and challenges they are facing to betrayed you. Number 5. Number 9. Solitude. They want to gain many things now to get success. And the waiting game is over now. Everything is in front of you. Yes, recheck. Everything is front of you now. Work with the base. Work for your root chakra. Yes, there's a lot downloads are coming. Work for your crown chakra, root chakra, and throat chakra, and third eye chakra also. Okay, there's a blockage in your life, so work for your chakra, get healed from somebody. Okay, if you do some healer and move on, go with the flow. There's a download. Angels are trying to teach you lessons, just because of this only. Angels are like, let it be, why you worried? But you know, let's take angels' messages. Ask your angels. Compromise. Whoever, current situation in your life, please try to compromise and ask your angels and just wait and watch. Okay? Angels are trying to tell you, wait and watch. Game is over. Now you'll get success. Be happy. And this person is having third party situation currently. Romantic third party strongly. They are stuck. They themselves are stuck. Standing and waiting, what to do? Now I'm stuck. So life goes on. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be this person in third party only. This person deserve it, This person deserve it. Let it be. So this is a reading for you. If you like my reading, then subscribe me. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much.